So Eckhart speaks a lot about the inner body. So we'll do an inner body meditation. And hopefully you'll feel what that aliveness, the prana, the chi, the life force, actually feels like in your body. So let's find our comfortable seat. And you may wish to sit up so, you're not kind of slouching back and, relaxing, but just have this alertness in the body. And your feet are flat on the floor. So your hands can be face down on your lap or face up and just ready to receive. So the crown of your head is lifted towards the sky. Your feet are firmly planted on the floor and your sit bones are sinking into the chair or the floor, wherever you are seated. You may wish to close your eyes or just softly keep them open. Just a soft gaze towards the floor. And just become aware of your breath. Notice the depth or the shallowness of the breath. We're not trying to change the breath at this moment, but you're just noticing. Notice the belly rise as you inhale and the belly fall as you exhale. Notice any sensations in your body, any tension, tightness, or pain. And drop any labels that come up, like, oh, I'm so tense, or this is so painful sitting here. Just see if you can drop the labels and feel into the sensations. And notice the temperature in your body. And scanning the body from head to toe and toe to head. And relaxing your entire body. So as you scan down from the head to the toe, relax each part of your body. Relaxing the jaw. Relaxing your forehead. Shoulders. Your chest. Your belly. Your back. Your hips and pelvis. Your thighs, your knees, your calves, your shins, your ankles, and your feet and toes, your arms, your elbows, your wrists and your hands. Now become aware of your hands. And if you are not feeling any sensations in your hands, raise your hands off your lap, turn your palms up, and hold them in the air, and then just feel your hands. And then become aware of your forearms and your elbows. And feel your upper arms and your shoulders. And then feel your shoulders, your arms, the elbows, your hands, fingers together. And turn your attention to your chest and your belly, so your front body. And if you can't feel your front body, don't worry about it. Go to an area where you can feel. Maybe it's back at your hands again. And then feel your back body. The shoulder blades, the spine. The sides of your body. And feel your front and your back body together, including the sides. Then feel your front and your back body, your shoulders, your arms, and your hands together. And if your hands get tired, just place them gently on your lap, palms facing up. Now feel your neck, your face, your ears, the back of the head, the top of the head. Breathing. Now feel your pelvis, buttocks, your hips. And feel your upper half of your body with your pelvis and hips and buttocks. Then bring your attention to your thighs, the front and back. And your knees. And your shins and your calves. And your ankles. Your heels. Your feet. The top and the bottom. And your toes. And feel your entire lower half of your body together. Now feel and be aware of the bottom half of your body with the upper half of your body, and feel your entire body as one energy field. And if you can't feel that, don't worry about it. Just go back to an area that you can feel. Then expand your awareness to include sensing and feeling what is outside the body. So in this room, beyond the room, go as wide as you would like.